Okay, looks like I'm live. I want to say hello, everybody. My name's Steve Lennon, and I am a website developer for about over 10 years, actually. Today, I am going to do a review. Every day of the week, I'm going to do a review, and I'm going to show you all kinds of great-looking websites and website ideas based on what you do in your life so that you can make your life better, sell your products, sell your services, and generate leads and do things like that to help you and to grow your business or start your own business, perhaps, So let's go ahead and get into it. I want to show you the first live that I've done in a while. I'll be doing them every single day, and like to show you one for the what do they call it? Restaurant. I'll get it here. The restaurant business. And if you like this particular thing, would love to talk to you about it. If you would like me to build it for you, I would like to do that for you. If you just want knowledge on different themes and how you can use them, the technology about themes, how they work. I specifically work with WordPress, and so I can answer a lot of questions with regard to that. And also, I'll be talking about plugins and how you can use and utilize plugins within WordPress, the WordPress platform and environment to help grow your business, to do text messaging, to do all kinds of cool things, both in the actual website and talking out through social networks and things like that. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and migrate into this particular theme for today. It's a pizza restaurant style theme, takeout, however you want to call it. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Would like to have you preview it, look at it, and if you have some interest, always ask your questions. That would be great. So let me go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and move over to right into it. So we're in. So let me go ahead and walk through this with you. I happen to love this particular theme. It's brand new on the marketplace. It's built under what's called the Gutenberg framework, meaning that it's more modular, and I'll give you an example of what that means in today's world. There's been major advancements in WordPress, and I'm going to show you what happens. So if we shrink this, let's say that this is a laptop or a desktop right here, okay? And we go a little more, and we go into a tablet, and we go a little bit more, and we go into an iPad or iPad mini, go into the iPad mini. See how it conforms? But you still get an absolutely beautiful website. Prices, the whole bit here, right? Absolutely gorgeous. This modular look that's coming about right now in the technology and the WordPress space is revolutionary. It's going to help you to expand your business both on social networks and on laptops and desktops, and most people are on their cell phones. And let's move this down to a cell phone. Now look over here. You see this little here? This is called a hamburger. And when I open it up, see what happens? So if you're on a small little device, you're going to see this. You're going to be able to select from this particular device right here. You'll be able to book a table if you're on a mobile platform or cell phone. And here's the final if you're in the cell phone view, right? And then you can also go expand it out and check out the store. Open that up, let's say. Check out the type of pizza is available. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Pre-buy one. Let's say this is for your pizza store, and you want to have some people can order ahead of time and go pick it up. That can all be integrated. Isn't that just beautiful? And look at this one here. Filter by price range. So I want to pay between $15 and $27. I'm going to look at maybe a breakfast. Maybe they have a breakfast in the place. You can adjust this particular theme not only for pizza, but for Italian restaurants, for any kind of restaurant you want. We just change out the images, and we adjust it to reflect whatever your offer is, whatever you're selling in the restaurant space. So, if you have an Italian restaurant or you have a hamburger restaurant or whatever it may be, a bar or a pub, we can adjust it to that particular model. So let's go ahead and open it up a little bit. See how it gets larger when you expand it out? Now it's got three So if I'm on a tablet or a Samsung tablet PC or a tablet, whatever, I can look at it in this view. One thing really nice about this particular theme also is it has tags. And these tags basically help you to identify quickly the things that are most important to you and also to the consumer. So you can create tags within the platform, and people can search based on those tags. So if they just want appetizers, they can search the keyword appetizers. If they want to, go to an event that happens to be maybe this company is offering events in the city on an ongoing basis, such as a food gathering or something like that, or a contest, whatever it may be, you can have that keyword in there. So kids menu, you can have that key menu label in there, so people can just jump to it. So I'll click on the one that says kids menu, and now we're into an area where it has like kids menus. So you can see how important tags are in building out a website. Logos and things like that, we have some abilities to create logos. We can give you some suggestions on where to go to have it done inexpensively. There's a lot of ways in which we can do it. So that's just a discussion topic that we can talk about at some point. And let's go a little bit wider. Let's go real wide here. We'll move it out all the way. And so let's go down. We'll go down the page here. Okay, real crisp, real clean, right? And then let's go ahead and go over here to the home page, and then we're going to just go through some of the pages. So this is what's called the upper fold, and this is the most important, what they call real estate in the digital world. This is the place by which people see the information first. It causes them to either stay or leave based on what you have up in the upper fold, and then it causes them to want to scroll down and see what else is available based on the products or service you offer. So they've done a fantastic job in this particular theme, the setup of the theme. Mind you, this is a template. It can be adjusted and changed, and that's what I do. I adjust it, I change it, I make it your own, I add things, I can add so many different things into it to make it yours. And that's just a discussion point. We would have a strategy session to find out what your long and short-term goals are, what you want to do. How long have you been in business maybe? Do you have an old site that you want to migrate things over to make it a newer site and make it mobile friendly, things like that, make it the social engagement experience more robust, things like that. So if you look right here, see how nice that looks? Just very, very nice, right? Let's go down real quick. So it's got these sections here, and these sections really matter because they are the way they're placed is it's a very nice user and visual experience for, in this case, selling pizzas. Drop another image in here for restaurants of whatever sort, right? A little story about the business, how long you've been in business, how many years, that kind of thing. Upcoming events, like I talked about, maybe they're having a pizza challenge in the local community, or they're doing a charitable event, or whatever it may be, right? Maybe some school event. And then your contact information. You can tell that it's got it all nicely set up. You've got your find us on Twitter, on YouTube, and on Instagram. And we'll go back up to the top real quick here. And let's go to the menu. Let's click on the menu for a second. Matter of fact, I'm going to click right here. I'm going to order online, this section right here in the center. And I see the different items, and you can click on the actual item. Let's see, the cannelloni, yeah. Look how nice that pop-up is. Just beautiful, right? Isn't that enticing? Doesn't that want to make you go out and eat? I mean, it makes me want to go out and have lunch and have Italian food, pizza, which I just may do. A little description about it, the ingredients in it, if you want to just talk about, generally speaking, about the ingredients in it, nutritional aspects of that particular meal. And then people can post a comment, did they like it when they went there? Did they not like it? That kind of thing. Any suggestions, recommendations. And then they can order. When they order, they can go to a page, and I don't know if it's set up on this, but I'll go there. Here's the actual page, the larger page that has the actual product. Look how nice that is. That people can get in depth and see what the actual product looks like, that they're buying. And then they can just add to cart. Let's say buy 2 of them, maybe buy 1 of them, and we'll go ahead and add to cart. And then when it adds to the cart, now it has been added to the cart right here. And then if you look over here at the very top right corner, it says one item added to the cart. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and it will show the actual item. They can view the cart, or they can check out. So let's say it's just one item and they want to view the cart, they can actually do that right here. So if they had like a pizza and they had a calzone and they had, you know, a pasta salad, they could add them all up. They can add it to the cart, hit send, and this information would be sent over to the particular company that is selling these particular food products, you know, restaurant items. So it's a great way to do it. If you're someone who is wants to make it just a restaurant style, you know, eating, then you can have them up here, but you can strip out the ability to pay here. You can just have them go to the restaurant. So whether you want to do that, you know, have them just go to the restaurant and pay, or you want to have a combination of going to the restaurant or ordering online and having it delivered, this is a great solution for that, to get it up and running. So there's another feature up here called Book a Table. So you can click on Book a Table and it will show that, and you can set this up where you can have different tables in a room. This can be through specialization through a web, creating the scenario on this particular page, the layout of the building. We can hire somebody, or we can do it ourselves, where we can create these particular scenarios where you can show your table settings, click on them, and then people can pick if they wanted to. Or we can strip this out and not even have it here. That's another way to do it. You could just take it out and remove the page. Phone number, that kind of thing for people to call, that kind of thing. You know, any news in the industry, any features, tools, you know, menus, online store, classic menu. So let's go ahead and take a look at the classic menu version. Now we're in the classic menu version, and you can see how it looks right here. Same sort of thing, but watch what happens when we actually go into it. See, free delivery, gift cards. We can strip some of these things out. We can keep them in, create reservations, make parties. So this is someone's trying to do a party and they've got, you know, 50, 100 guests and they want to do a bunch of pizzas, that kind of thing, or delivery at a ballpark, stuff like that. So select your options. In this particular one, let's go to pepperoni. We'll click here, and you can see that there's pepperoni. And they can choose the items, American style, Italian style, large, medium, small. Select that, and then it changes it based on the particular style you want and the size that you want. So you can add it to the cart. It goes to the cart. I mean, isn't this just absolutely beautiful, the way this is laid out? So reservation contacts. Let's go to contacts real quick. So if you want to just, someone wants to contact you right away, they can do that, find out what your hours are at the restaurant, what time they're open, that kind of thing. They can contact you. And it's just a nice user experience all in all. So if you have some interest in this particular theme, I would love to talk to you. All you have to do is go right here. We'll go back over to here into this area. And you can basically find me on Facebook and YouTube. And also, if you want to see my reviews, you can also go to Fiverr. And if you look up Fiverr using that URL there, fiverr.com/SBLINNIN, I can certainly help you along there as far as getting questions answered, giving you a quote, doing a strategy session, and find out whether you need a website or not, and if so, what type, under what conditions, and you know, things like that. So and that's my number. If you want to contact me, you can contact me here. I happen to reside in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, but I am a resident of Southern California for 59 years of my life. I am now 60, and that's where you can contact me. That's my home office line. I'm still here in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, but I use this phone number, and you know, that's my office line. So you can also get me on Twitter and Facebook over here on the left side, and check that out. And we'd love to talk to you. Please don't forget to like me and subscribe on my YouTube channel, as I would like to talk talk to you on an ongoing basis, send you information, give you updates on what you should do with WordPress, with plugins, and strategy ideas on lead development and things like that. I happen to have a business partner, and he has about 26 years in media marketing. He's very, very good at what he does. He took for example, a website and brought it from a Facebook page. He took a Facebook page. Let me go back into my live of me here. There I am. And he took a Facebook page, and he took it from 0 to 67,000 monthly subscribers. And it just blew up, and he's done that many times. He works with real estate and mortgage professionals like I do as well, all the time, helping them build their businesses, build sites, and I also build sites for all kinds of businesses. But so we have a good skill set, and we certainly were looking forward to helping you in any way we can. Just communicate with us, and we'll go start from there. If you want to do business with me or not, that's okay by me. What I look for is the long-term relationship, how I can help you. And because you may have somebody that you know that if you like and know me and trust me, you just may want to refer me some business, and that's what I appreciate. So have a great afternoon, morning, or evening, wherever you are at this moment. And feel free to give me a call anytime you want. Take care.